If you don't like vegetables, it's because you've never eaten this recipe before. I will start by adding 4 eggs in a container, then 100 grams of heavy cream, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I will stir everything very well until all the ingredients are mixed. Then I will grate a little mozzarella to taste, but this part is optional. You can use the amount you want. Once that's done, I'll transfer it to the mix. Finally, 70 grams of Parmesan, and I will stir again so that the cheeses are added to the mixture. Now I'm going to cut a carrot into small pieces, like this. Then I'll cut a broccoli too. Then I will chop an onion, will give a special flavor to the recipe. Now I'll do the same with 2 tomatoes. Finally, I will cut a zucchini into small pieces, this way. In a pan, I will add a little olive oil. Then I'll add the chopped onion, the carrot cut out, the zucchini also cut. Finally the broccoli, and I'll fix everything in the pan. I will season with a teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper, and then I will stir everything very well until the seasonings are mixed and all the ingredients cook well. My friends always ask me to teach how to make this recipe, so amazing that the result is. After that, I will add the sliced tomato pieces over our recipe. Finally, I will pour the mixture I made previously over the recipe, spreading well to all corners. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Annette Geary from the UK. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. I'm gonna bake in the oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. After the time is ready, our recipe, look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. Has become one of my favorite recipes since the first time I tried, now I do not stop doing. Is an amazing recipe, quick, easy, goes few ingredients, and best of all, it's delicious. There's no reason for you not to do it in your home. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.